welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you guys are new here, my name is Jessica and I upload 2 times a week here on my channel. I would love for you to subscribe down below and join the family. And if you like hair videos, definitely don't forget to give this video a thumbs up while you're down there. And also, don't forget to hit that little notification bell because it will notify you every single time I upload and you never want to miss a video. So for today's video, I have a hair video. I am doing a review, first impression of this new hair mask that I picked up at Walmart. So if you guys would like to see my first impression on this hair mask, definitely stick around and let's go ahead and get right into it. Okay guys, so I just washed my hair. This is actually my first wash day post relaxer. I've just been super lazy when it comes to my hair, if we're being completely honest here. I have just been, you know, doing me pretty much when it comes to my hair, especially in the summertime. I feel like my hair kind of comes last, I guess you could say, because I forgot clips. Guys, one day I will remember my clips. I will be right back. Okay guys, so I actually have a clip on the floor, so I'm ahead of the game. So for today's video, I'm going to be reviewing this Every Strand Earthly Hair Essentials Aloe Vera and Coconut Water Weightless Hydration Mask. It says it's for dry, frizzy, and damaged hair. It says why I need it. A carefully crafted hair mask to replenish and hydrate thirsty, frizzy strands in minutes, infused with healing aloe vera and punching coconut water. Bring your hair back to life. It says it's a paraben-free hydrating hair mask formulated to help nourish and replenish dehydrated strands. Rinse clean without weighing hair down. It says that aloe vera has healing properties, moisturizes the scalp, helps prevent breakage. Coconut water has intense hydrating properties, rich in electrolytes, full of vitamins and minerals, and there's no parabens, no mineral oil, no dyes, and no sulfates in this conditioner. It says after shampoo, apply weightless hydration mask generously from roots to end. Leave on hair 2 to 5 minutes. Rinse thoroughly in style. And it goes on into Spanish. But this mask says to leave it on for 2 to 5 minutes, and your girl does not do that. So we're gonna leave this on probably for about 20 minutes or so, and we'll see what happens. I just feel like after I get a relaxer, my hair needs hydration. Not because it's super like dry or anything like that, but I just feel like it just strips a lot of my natural oils from my hair, which, you know, happens. I'm putting a chemical on my hair, you know. So I actually want to take this in half again. But like I said, my hair, this is my first wash day post relaxer. So I'm just going to wet my hair and put my towel on because it is super wet over here. For today I used my usual shampoo routine. I used the Cream of Nature Pure Honey shampoo along with my Aussie 3-Minute Miracle Moist conditioner. And I just put that in while I'm in the shower, and while I wash my body, I leave that in and detangle my hair with that. This does not want to open for me, and I don't want to ruin my lip gloss. So I opened it. Let's see what the texture is like. Oh, it smells nice. So it is like a thick, creamy conditioner. It's white. Ooh, hold the phone. This is like melting into my hair right now, you guys. If you guys have been watching for a while, you know that my hair does not like coconut oil, but I have never tried coconut water in it, so I'm excited to see how this performs on my hair, because I know like some people add like coconut water to like their conditioners and stuff. I love to drink coconut water personally. That's my favorite way to have it in my diet, but ooh, this feels really nice, guys. It feels like super moisturizing. I didn't think that my hair, and you know, after using the Aussie 3-Minute Miracle, my hair is super hydrated and just really moisturized. That's why I love using that conditioner in the shower so much, because it just really moisturizes my hair and hydrates my strands, which I love. I have been sitting in my towel for a while because I was hungry, and yeah, so my hair is pretty dry at this point. I'll get a little bit more. But yeah, guys, how are you doing? What's the tea? It's so hot here in New York. The other day it was like 90 degrees and humid. The humidity is what really gets me. Like, I love heat. I know I'm wild. I just love the warm weather. It just makes me happy. It makes me tired, but it makes me happy. I really, side note, like the way this feels, guys. I definitely want to try this on my hair when I have a lot of new growth. I feel like this will really melt into my new growth as well. Because right now I don't really have a lot of new growth. I'm only 2 weeks post-relaxer, so my new growth hasn't really come in yet. But wow, we like her a lot. But yeah, like I said, it has been so hot here in New York. I feel like summer just like came, you know? Like, I feel like spring was like okay. It wasn't like, I feel like we didn't really even have a spring here in New York, if I'm being honest with you. Because I feel like there wasn't like a day where it was like, you know, like a nice 75 with a breeze. You know, I feel like we just hopped right into summer, and summer was like, I'm here. You know, it's a hot girl summer for sure, but I'm sure this is not what any of us meant when we said it's going to be a hot girl summer. I don't actually want to be hot. I want to look hot, you know? But yeah, it's just been so hot in here in New York that my hair has literally been in a bun or a ponytail since I got my relaxer, because it has just been too hot to have any type of hair on my neck whatsoever. Like, don't touch me, don't look at me. And you know, it's the type of weather where men think that, you know, as soon as it gets above 80 degrees, men love to catcall. So that has been a thing too, you know. Like today there's this guy at the gym and I was literally doing abs, and like, I don't know about you, but I do not look good when I'm doing abs, like at all. This is so soft, guys. Oh my god. My hair feels so soft right now. Holy balls of fire. And also, can we note how long my hair is getting? This is me standing up straight, and it's like way past my collarbone. But I'm sorry, I'm so rambling. I feel like I haven't talked to you guys in like forever. But like I was saying, I went to the gym today, and I was doing abs, and this guy was doing arms, like probably like a good like 15 to 20 feet away from me. And we like locked eyes by accident. I was just looking in that direction and he happened to turn around, and I was like, oh, and like I didn't think anything of it because like he was kind of old. And I was like, oh, whatever. And then I laid down to do my abs, and like every time I sat up to do a crunch, he was like staring at me. And I was like, oh, this just got awkward. So I just continued my workout. I didn't really do anything different. And then there's if you guys go to gold, you know that there's like the woman's only section, so I was like, let me go in there so that he can't see me do my hip abductions, because that would have been a little weird, you know. But oh my god, guys, my hair feels so good right now. This is amazing. This is literally amazing right now. But so that was fun. And there's also this guy that works there, and he's like very, very awkward. And I'm like he's awkward. I'm just kind of, I'm there to do my workout, you know. So, you know, as soon as it gets above 80 degrees, guys are like, ooh, sun's out, guns out, I'm gonna talk to every girl I see. And like, newsflash, you don't want to talk to you 9 times out of 10. You really don't. At least for me, you know. To each their own. You never know. Don't shoot. I personally always say, like, don't shoot your shot at the gym, because like I'm there to work out. Like, I'm not there to find a man. Although I know a lot of girls are. Like, that's where they want to find their man. Like at church. Like, I'm personally not at church to find a man, but if you are, you do you, sis. This feels so good. So, you guys can see I added a liberal amount to my hair. I am so heavy-handed with my products, but my hair feels so soft, you guys. Like, this honestly even feels better than my Jamaican black castor oil from Shea Moisture. The deep conditioner, the treatment mask from them. My hair honestly feels better right now than it does with that conditioner, and that says a lot, because that is my favorite deep conditioner. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side off camera so I don't bore you guys to death with all of my talking and whatnot, and I will be back to show you guys what it looks like all in my hair. Alright guys, the conditioner is all in, and I don't know if you guys could see from the clip, I actually went ahead and used my Tangle Teaser brush from Ulta, and my hair detangled so easily. This conditioner has amazing slip as well. It is just so good, guys. Like, I don't even know what to say about it. It's just, it feels so good. We'll see how it feels once I rinse it out, but this is how we're looking right now with everything, and so far so good, guys. It's amazing me, and this was only like $2 or $3 for the packet, so I'm definitely loving the way this feels in my hair. So I'm gonna let this sit for about 20 minutes or so, go ahead and rinse it out, and I will be back to show you guys what it looks like when it's all rinsed out. I just got out of, I didn't get out of the shower, I just rinsed out my hair, and my hair feels amazing, you guys. Like, I can't even explain to you right now how good my hair feels. Like, it just literally feels like I washed it with like oil or something. Like, I can't even tell you guys how just soft and hydrated, and oh my gosh, you guys, like, this hands down is my new favorite conditioner. Like, it's even better than the other one that I said, like, really the banana one from ORS. It feels even better than that. Like, did you see how quick I just detangled my hair? Like, I don't know why I was sleeping on this mask, but I am so happy I picked this up because it feels so freaking good in my hair, you guys. Like, I can't, like, I'm just brushing through my hair like I did not just wash it. Like, excuse me? Like, hello? Do you see this? Like, what in the world? My hair has never felt so good. It's even better, I might have to say it, than the Jamaican black castor oil from Shea Moisture. Like, this just shook me to my core, you guys. I am so excited. Like, my hair feels like it has bounce, it has shine, it has moisture, and like everything your hair should feel is how my hair feels. I am literally in shock right now. I don't know what to do with myself, but wow. I am amazed right now. Like, holy crap. But this conditioner is literally amazing. Weightless hydration mask. I definitely agree. It didn't say in the directions if it was going to add shine or anything like that. It's just that it's going to replenish and hydrate thirsty frizzy strands, and I can attest to that it sure as heck did hydrate my thirsty strands. The ends of my hair were super duper dry because I have been wearing my hair honestly in a ponytail or in a bun for the last like 2 weeks, like I said, because it's been so hot. But my ends, guys, are so shiny. Like, you guys can see it, that shine. Like, it is so shiny and just so moisturized and strong. I'm obsessed with this mask, guys. If you have not picked this up from Walmart, I highly suggest. I definitely want to try out more things from this Every Strand brand. I've never tried anything else from this brand, but definitely let me know down below if you guys have, and what are some of your favorite products from this line. I know that they have a lot of stuff at Walmart. Like I said, this is where I picked mine up from Walmart. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you have tried out this conditioner on your hair, let me know how it worked out for you, because I can't imagine this not working on somebody's hair, because the way my hair feels so good right now. But like I said, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up before you leave, and I think that's all I have to say. Love you girls so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one very soon. Mwah. Bye. Thank you.